proud moment for Kadapa Public School. We are thrilled to announce our collaboration with the prestigious IIT Madras School Connect program, a gateway to innovation, knowledge and future-ready education. This collaboration opens doors for our students to access world-class resources, cutting-edge STEM learning and advanced technology platforms. Under the guidance of IIT Madras experts, our students will participate in specialized programs, workshops, and competitions designed to spark creativity and scientific thinking. From AI and machine learning to robotics, research projects, and innovation challenges, this program equips our learners with skills to excel in the 21st century. I am excited to learn from IIT mentors and explore new technologies. This program gives our students the confidence to compete globally. The possibilities are endless when knowledge meets opportunity. Kadapa Public School, preparing innovators for tomorrow. Join us in this incredible journey.